Hello, let's go ahead and make some egg and cheese, black bean, quesadilla. I have some leftover from last night. I made some burrito and I have some tortilla, Trader Joe's tortilla, my favorite. And I have some black bean that I made, cooked and then made myself. It's a black bean. It's a black bean cooked with some tomatoes and onions and some hot sauce. Okay, so we're going to use that. All right, let's go ahead and turn on the stove. So pretty much we're making some breakfast from some of the leftovers. Get some oil into my skillet. Okay. I have about 1, 2, 3 tortillas, so I'm going to use 3 eggs. Let's go ahead and whisk the eggs. Okay, now this one is kind of heated up. Just cook this little bit of onion. Okay. Okay, we can add a little bit of salt and about a pinch of black pepper. Okay, and then I'm going to add some of black bean. And then I have some cilantro. And I just happen to have a little bit of onion left over, so I just chopped everything. Tomatoes. Little bit of leftover tomatoes. Okay. So this one is good. This is enough. I'm gonna put it on the side. Warm the skillet for tortilla. Let's put the tortilla. Then I have mozzarella cheese. I just happen to have 3 slices, perfect. I'm going to put half of it here. And then I have some Mexican style shredded cheese. So I'm spreading the cheese all over the place because your filling needs to stick to it, and also once we fold the tortilla, it needs to stick to each other. So that's why I'm spreading the cheese all around it. Just like how you're making the pizza, right? Okay, that's good. Okay, at this point we can increase the heat a little bit. Okay, the cheese starts melting a little bit. What I can do is I can now add my filling, which is my onion and bean. This is going to be actually a little bit fat tortilla, fat quesadilla. Okay, like that. Then we're going to fold it in half. Let that stay there, and then you can grab your other tortilla, put it on the side here. The cheese. Okay, we can flip this quesadilla like that. Okay. Done. Go ahead. Put this here on the side and get your third one. Okay, then my very last quesadilla is going to be for me because I like extra cheese. Okay, let's go ahead and actually, this is our first one. Okay, nice and golden. Gonna put another side once more. And then probably flip this guy like that. And then, okay, this little bit of leftover, I'm just gonna put it on my plate because I don't want to have my quesadilla explode on me. Be careful, it's very hot. Gonna lower the heat even more. Okay, now you can remove your first one, put it on the side here. Even the second one. Okay, I'm gonna remove it from the heat, it's all cooked. Okay, now let's go ahead and, this is not very perfect knife. I want to have some salsa and some sour cream on the side as well. Okay. So this is the quesadilla from the leftover. I'm going to try. Get some salsa, a little bit of sour cream. Okay. Watch your mouth. Just the way I expected. Excellent.